Hello, Next community. I wanted to show you how to make an ISO that's hopefully going to be readable by Preivious and thus transparent to Next hardware. So Tiffany 2, which is an image editor, was gifted to the Next community by the original developers of Caffeine Software a while back. However, the documentation wasn't included. And I happen to have an original Tiffany 2 CD, which are very rare, by the way. And I was going to make an ISO that hopefully I can share with the community that should have all of the packages. So I went and downloaded this little Any2ISO app. And what I'm going to do here, on the app when you launch it, the light version even has a CD to DVD disc to ISO. And so we click down here, highlight the Tiffany CD, which is mounted over here. Often Next CDs use a different formatting, so they won't be recognized. And so as I'm going to make a way or videos to show how to install Preivious, I thought this might be a good start on how to do third-party ISOs that can mount in Preivious and other emulators such as Parallels, VirtualBox, Virtual PC, VMware, etc. So let's start. So you click Make ISO, and it should go ahead and start copying. With any luck. All right, there it goes. It looks like we have a spinning beach ball. Success. And with any luck, it will copy everything over. And it'll show you the percentage down here. As I am multitasking, we'll let that kind of go in the background. Now for Preivious, when you download Preivious, let's see, I can kind of wing this as well. So we want to go ahead and start up. Maybe I'll make a separate video for that. And we'll just let this one kind of run, and then I'll show you how to mount it in the second video. But Any2ISO, what it'll do is it'll make a file and create an ISO file in your download section that we're then going to mount in Preivious, and we should be able to use that to do a fresh install of the documentation packages. So it may take it a little while to do that. As I say, Any2ISO is really a neat little app. So it'll take anything you have out there and put it in ISO form, which should be readable by Preivious. And to me, it looks like it's kind of chugging along fairly slow, and I'm not sure why that is. But we'll just let it do its thing and go from there. Maybe because Next CD-ROM images were probably all burned at 1x, because Next was the first company to distribute software in the world, believe it or not, on CD-ROM, with NeXTstep 3.0 being the first. And I know when we made, I think it was the Alembic CD, I mean, you might as well go make a pot of coffee when you mount that, because it turned out to be one big app. But we were just learning as well. But it really changed things, because before you had to use, 50 floppies, and now you can have it all on one CD, as well as, a DVD's even better. So that's another planned project, is to make a master ISO DVD image that's mountable or bootable in Preivious, that would have practically everything. So we'll just kind of go from there. This will be part one of how to install Preivious by starting with making ISO images. And this would be the way to use Any2ISO. So, part one.